The P0234 code indicates an engine overboost condition. This means your car's computer has detected that the boost pressure generated by the turbocharger or supercharger is too high for current operating conditions. The boost pressure control system is not regulating the pressure properly. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. You may also notice a sudden loss of power. The engine goes into protection mode to prevent damage, unusual engine or turbo noises, and erratic throttle response. If the P0234 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. The most common cause is a stuck or faulty wastegate actuator. The wastegate controls the amount of exhaust gas passing through the turbo. If it's stuck closed, it causes overpressure. Also, check the vacuum or pressure hoses leading to the wastegate actuator or the boost control solenoid. A leak or blockage can cause inaccurate readings. The boost control solenoid could be faulty. Finally, the manifold pressure, MAP sensor or turbo boost pressure sensor could be sending inaccurate readings. A constantly boosted engine can lead to severe damage to internal engine components such as pistons or valves due to excessive pressure and high temperatures. It can also strain and damage the turbocharger or supercharger.